Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, in case you have the setup with your iPad as your monitoring in terms of screen time, I'm going to show you how to remove the passcode in case you want to remove the limits. Alright, so go to settings. Once you're in settings, in case you're not there, let's say you're somewhere else, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go to screen time. Here at the top, you're going to see your restrictions. And of course, you can see here, you have your restrictions. So you can review your restrictions in terms of your child's age. You can see the time when it's been used. You can see the app limits here if you tap. And of course, you can modify those. Now, there's a passcode set. So for example, if you try to modify anything, it will ask for the passcode. And of course, here is lock screen time settings. All right, so in case you want to remove anything or modify lock screen settings, go here and tap on lock screen time settings to remove the passcode. Notice instantly when you try, it will ask for the current passcode. So you can't modify without the passcode. So in case you want to remove the passcode from this, go ahead and enter your passcode. So for mine, it's 4 zeros. Re-enter the screen time passcode. I'm going to do it again. It's 4, and here it asks for verification again. It will ask for the email that's associated. So you're going to enter the email. All right, so once you enter the passcode, you'll see the screen here. And of course, it's just identifying that if you're the parent or guardian, you can actually set the date of birth and whatever in the Apple account. All right, so it's my account. I'm simply using it, so I can actually go here and I've removed it. So you just simply, once you verify, you can tap that profile there and it will remove the profile. You should be able as well, usually it will not even allow you to do that without verifying the code and so on. So I've removed the limits. All right, so now that the app account, we can refresh going out. Let me just simply refresh it very quickly. I'm gonna come back again and screen time limit, and there you go. Notice that it says change screen time passcode. So if I tap, it says change screen time passcode or turn off screen time passcode. So as soon as you remove that, there you can go to turn off screen time passcode. All right, it will ask you for the passcode again. There you go. All right, there you go. So it's now removed. So I verified first in case you're following. Once I verified to save me the time of re-entering it or that way, then I removed it. Then I tap on it again. And once I tap on it again, it asks for the passcode and asks me if I want to remove it. And then it remove it. And then I have now that it's removed. It says lock screen time settings. As you can see, it's now locked. And it's now unlocked. And anytime I'm doing anything, it can actually now it won't require the passcode. So I've removed the passcode. Hope that was helpful, guys. In case you want to open this back up, see you in the next one. Bye.